Hey guys, we're back from another YouTube video, and we'll be using Nerf gun battles. So, my sister's gonna be the referee. How many lives do we have? 5.
How many lives? We're gonna have 5 lives, and
to get you 5 times.
Shania is going to hide all these out in the yard, and
that's the.
I guess me and him will go fight for him. And
this is the Mega.
And I'm gonna get all the guns, and I'm gonna win the battle.
What do you think? And over here we have the minis, the 4 little minis. And the best thing about these, you can fit them in your pocket if you find all of them. Because I'm gonna tell Shania, you can't hide them all in the same spot.
Yeah.
And this right here can hold an extra dart. And whenever, or you can hold the dart and put it in your pocket and go like this and use it as an aiming post.
Okay, well, let's go in the house.
My mom's gonna be videoing Shania while she's hiding.
Okay, now.
And here's the last one.
Okay.
Oh, Adrifull.
Adventure Force. All right.
This one is a Fortnite gun.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go hide these. Now you gotta hide them.
Okay, guys, follow my sister while she hides the Nerf guns. My sister hit all the guns already, and we are gonna.
He's going down. Where's your shoes at?
We're gonna go find them.
All right.
So we have 5 lives, and once you get 5 times, you're out, and the other person wins.
So which gun do you want to find? I want to find the bow and arrow.
Well, yeah, because if you have the bow and arrow, it actually shoots far.
But you know what I do like the zombie one that twists?
Yeah, that has 10.
Okay, so when do we go?
Right now. Wait, I bet there's one up here. I bet there's one up here.
Oh, there is one right here. You better go find one, boy. I got one. He's going down. You think Mom can keep up with us? I don't know. Let's go this way. He got something. I got this single shooter. I got this single shooter. I don't know. Come on. You can't run the whole time. Come on. This ain't a battle if you keep running. No, you gotta use what you find, and then you move on. He's no fun. He's gonna look for all the guns. He keeps missing me.
Oh, please, got the zombie gun. Oh, gun does not shoot well. Oh, what was that?
Look right here, he's got one knife down.
There's one up there.
Oh, one down for me.
Two.
Two. Oh. He won! Alright, so he won one. We still got guns to find. So we're gonna keep on moving.
Should I have told him?
I'm out of breath.
I got the ring and that holds 20.
That holds 20 darts?
Yes. You just have to push it down. It goes up to the second floor.
You should have left everything behind.
Who cares? I got a big one. Run!
Now what? Bam! I have no more bullets. Get me out of this.
No! I cocked it didn't work.
Huh?
I tried to cock it and it wouldn't. Ah, my... Breathe.
Run! Get in!
Oh,
How many times did you get me? None yet. You got 2. 3, I got it right in the foot. Right in the foot, 9.
Oh, one.
1 to 3. Oh! 4, 1 more, you're done, dude. Oh! Two-time champion.
No, I beat you the one time.
Oh wait, yeah. We're tied. One more round.
There's one more.
Wait.
That's the champ.
One more to find.
Load them up. 2-minute break. 1 minute
Daddy.
break.
One more to find.
What,
One more to find.
Yeah, one more to find.
Okay, we get a couple seconds to load up. Get
Please.
something, dude.
Wait, Dad.
Get something.
I don't know where all the darts went.
I don't know either.
Now, where is the last gun?
I don't need this guy. I don't need this
I'll never
gun.
find that one now.
What is it?
I'm telling you.
We got one more to find. Which one is it?
Oh, it's the last minigun.
Mm-hmm.
No? The bow and arrow. The bow and arrow. Okay. When do we start?
Now.
Let's just go look. You ready? We're gonna split up.
1,
Hey,
2.
you see that? We got one more to find. I'm gonna get it.
I don't know where
I'm not letting him beat me. Bow and arrow. How about in the lawnmower? No, but I found a dart. Where is it at? I'm gonna find it. Oh, I found it! Ah, he's going down. I need a holster for this. Long shot right here. Come on, punk! Yeah, I got you! I'm out!
I need to hurry up.
3, 4, 5.
No, wait. No. No, you have one more time. You
No.
have 2 more times because you didn't hit me.
I won twice.
No, because you need to hit
Oh,
me
I
one
need
more
to shoot
time.
you 2 more times?
Yeah.
1.
He just looked down there.
I got 2 bullets. That's
You're
all
washing those pants.
Over here. It's over here. I only gotta get him one more time. What? Hold on, don't move. There's a bee. Right there. I lied. There's no bee. I only gotta get him one more time. I got 2 shots left. Wait. Oh, wait. In my pocket. See, I was smart. Find him along the way. Take him with you. You think he can get out of it? What do you guys think? Huh? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win, bud?
I'm done.
Who's gonna win? One more shot, and I'm the winner. Oh, you're gonna play like a grenade. Bam! Bam! Oh, did I get you?
No.
He's using grenades.
Got no more darts.
One. Oh, I can't. I'm getting. You better go watch that little punk up here.
I hit him 3 times. That's one and third. It's the 3rd time. He did a bad idea. Left all these guns up here.
Here I come. Now I gotta get you one time.
I have to get him 2 times. Miss!
Oh!
Miss!
I get you?
No. Oh! Oh! Bad idea! Oh, come on. Why? My gun won't cock. My gun won't cock!
I'm out of bullets. I'm out of bullets. Oh, you missed it. Give me that bullet. Oh, we're tied.
Hey guys, you better watch
We're
out.
tied.
Hey Pace, you better watch out.
We're tied. One time and I win. One more shot. Who's it gonna be? Dad or Paige? Who's gonna be the champion? Dad or Paige? Ah!
I win!
He's the champion. But you know what?
You really thought you were gonna shoot
All right, good game.
I win!
He's the champ. He won. You want to say goodbye?
Hey guys, please subscribe. Bye.